Hey YouTube. Well, if you look at the back of our lot here, there's my girlfriend's 2007 Ford Focus. About a month ago, transmission started going, and it really drives terrifying, like swaying all over the place. Everything was tight, and it still was just really scary to drive. So it's parked now. She got a new car. You'll see it later. So I'm going to do a cold start on it because I start it every couple weeks. Now I know, a cold start and a gas are impressive. Well, people like them. I don't have a lot of content right now because it's winter. So this is what you get. As you can see, we've had a shit ton of snow. It's currently minus 15 Celsius right now. But if you know around Ottawa, Ontario, the weather has been nuts. Back and forth. Snow, minus 30, plus 10, minus 20, all over the place. So, see if this clicker still works. If I can even get in the damn door. Car will be going scrap. It gave us 15 months, and that's good enough for me. Oh, my battery's too low to use flash anymore. But fuck me, I guess. The snow's up to the door sill. Everything should be off. Yeah. Should be no problem. I'll let it run to operating temperature and shut it off. That's what I do. There we go. Should be no problem. Battery was pretty good in this. It was cold though, holy shit. The light was flickering every time it would roll over. It still starts good. Like I said, the battery's fine. I start it every week or 2 weeks. Keep the battery good. Yes, because I'm lazy and I don't want to pull the battery. Trying to not run out of gas. So yeah, there's a pointless, as they say, cold start of a gas engine. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in for the next video.